Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to get a free Foot Locker coupon code to save on the latest sneakers and athletic gear. Just head over to easycoupon.co/foot or scan the QR code on your screen to go straight to the site. Once there, enter your email address so the coupon code can be sent directly to your inbox. I'll type mine in here to show you how quick it is. Next, select your device, either Apple or Android, and hit Continue. The site will start generating your Foot Locker coupon code right away. For verification, you'll need to download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These are popular, secure apps with millions of downloads, completely free to use. After downloading, open and use each app for about a minute. Some apps may ask you to reach level 9 in a game or complete a quick survey. This is just to confirm that you're a real person and not a bot, so they can securely send your coupon code. I'll speed things up with some background music as I complete the apps. Done! Let's check my inbox, and there's my Foot Locker coupon code. If this was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more savings tips and enjoy shopping at Foot Locker.